Welcome back to the workshop. Last time, we set up our terminals and explored basic cybersecurity commands. Today, we're jumping into the real action, tools and techniques that define true penetration testers. We'll move from simple reconnaissance to active engagement, testing defenses, uncovering secrets, and interacting with networks. Get ready to master command line utilities, advanced scanning, and legendary hacker tools. This isn't movie magic, it's a methodical process of discovery and execution. Tools like the Nmap scripting engine, Burp Suite, and Metasploit are your new chess pieces. We'll show you the path, highlight key landmarks, and equip you for the journey. By the end, you'll know how to find vulnerabilities, manipulate web traffic, and gain a foothold on target systems. Grab your coffee, fire up your VM, and let's level up. Let's get started. The terminal is your power tool. Let's master it. With just a few keystrokes, you can command your system, automate tasks, and manipulate data in ways that graphical interfaces can only dream of. The real magic happens when you unlock the potential of the command line, and that's where three legendary tools come in. grep, awk, and sed are your data manipulation dream team. Each one is powerful on its own, but together they're unstoppable for anyone working with text, logs, or scan results. grep searches for patterns in text, perfect for filtering scan results. Whether you're hunting for open ports, error messages, or specific keywords, grep lets you zero in on exactly what you need instantly. Example, pipe nmap output to grep to instantly see only open ports. Instead of wading through pages of results, you get a concise list of what matters most. Awk works with columns, letting you extract specific fields from text. It's like having a scalpel for your data, cutting out just the pieces you want, whether it's IP addresses, usernames, or port numbers. Use awk to pull just the port numbers from your filtered nmap results. This is especially useful when you need to feed those numbers into another tool or script for further analysis. Sed is your stream editor, ideal for quick find and replace tasks. It can edit files or streams of data on the fly, saving you time and effort. Need to swap user for admin in a word list? Sed does it in one command. You can even chain multiple replacements together, transforming entire files in seconds. These tools let you slice, dice, and transform massive outputs in seconds. What would take minutes or hours by hand can be done in a blink, even with gigabytes of data. No more scrolling through endless logs, just the info you need. You can pinpoint suspicious activity, errors, or vulnerabilities with surgical precision. Mastering them makes you a command line ninja. You'll move faster, automate repetitive tasks, and impress your peers with your efficiency. Practice combining them, grep to filter, awk to extract, sed to transform. Chaining these commands together unlocks workflows that are both powerful and elegant. This workflow is the backbone of efficient penetration testing. It's how pros handle huge data sets, parse results, and automate reporting. The more you use them, the faster you'll work. Soon, you'll be blazing through tasks that used to slow you down. Don't just memorize commands, experiment and see what you can automate. Try new combinations, break things, and learn from the results. That's how you truly master the command line. The command line is your playground. With grep, awk, and sed in your toolkit, you're ready to tackle any data challenge that comes your way. Nmap is more than just a port scanner. It's a powerful vulnerability hunter and a versatile tool for network exploration. While many people know Nmap for its ability to quickly map out open ports and services, its true strength lies in its advanced features, especially the Nmap scripting engine, or NSE. With the Nmap scripting engine, NSE, you can take your scans to the next level by automating a wide range of security tasks and network checks. NSE lets you automate tasks, like checking for vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, weak passwords, and even gathering detailed information about network services. It's like having a team of security experts working alongside you, running dozens of checks in seconds. You don't need to be a programmer to use NSE. The Nmap community has built hundreds of ready-to-use scripts, covering everything from simple info gathering to advanced exploitation. Just download or update the scripts, and you're ready to go. To use these scripts, simply add the script flag to your nmap command. You can specify entire categories like vuln or safe, or call out individual scripts by name for targeted testing. For example, running nnmap script default 10.0.0.1 will launch a set of safe information gathering scripts against your target, giving you a quick overview of its security posture. Script categories like vuln check for known security holes, brute tries common passwords, and discovery scripts help you map out hidden services or hosts on the network. The exploit category even attempts real-world attacks, letting you safely test your defenses in a controlled environment. All these scripts are organized for easy access. Just browse the Nmap scripts directory on your system to see what's available, or explore new scripts from the community. Don't forget to keep your script database up to date with Nmap, Script Updated B, so you always have the latest tools at your fingertips. Before you start scanning, take a moment to review the available scripts and choose the ones that best fit your goals. Whether it's vulnerability assessment, compliance checks, or penetration testing. With NSE, Nmap evolves from a simple port scanner into a full-featured vulnerability scanner and automation platform, capable of handling complex security tasks. So start thinking beyond just what's open. Ask yourself, what can I do with these open ports? And how can I secure my network against real threats? That's the mindset of a real penetration tester, using every tool at your disposal and always staying one step ahead. Let's put NSE to work with real examples. Use the vuln category to scan for hundreds of common vulnerabilities. Nmap, SV, script vuln 10.0.0.1. Nmap will flag outdated software, misconfigurations, and even famous bugs like Heartbleed. To check for Heartbleed, specifically Nmap P443, script SSL Heartbleed 10.0.0.1. For brute forcing passwords, use the brute category. Example Nmap P21. Script FTP brute. Script args user db =users.txt, passdb =passwords.text 10.0.0.1. Nmap tries every username password combo and reports valid credentials. This shows why strong passwords matter. The same approach works for SSH, Telnet, and databases. NSE automates tedious tasks, letting you quickly spot weak points. Use it to find vulnerabilities and test password strength efficiently. For web app hacking, Burp Suite is your Swiss Army knife. It's an intercepting proxy, sitting between your browser and the internet. You see, intercept and modify all HTTP requests and responses. Configure your browser to use Burp's local proxy, then turn on intercept. Every click or form submission pauses in Burp, letting you tweak requests before they hit the server. Change user IDs, cookies, or parameters to test for vulnerabilities like IDOR or SQL injection. Manipulate cookies to try bypassing authentication. By controlling requests, you systematically probe web defenses. Burp Suite is more than a proxy, it's a toolkit. You can send requests to repeater, intruder, decoder, or sequencer for deeper analysis. Let's dive into repeater and intruder next. Repeater and intruder are Burp Suite's power tools, designed to give you complete control over web application testing. These features are at the heart of any serious security assessment, allowing you to dig deep into how web apps handle requests and respond to attacks. Repeater lets you manually edit and resend requests, seeing real-time server responses. With Repeater, you can tweak every detail of an HTTP request, headers, parameters, cookies, and more, then instantly see how the server reacts. It's perfect for testing parameters, injecting payloads, and hunting for bugs. Whether you're trying to bypass authentication, test for input validation, or simply understand how a web app processes data, Repeater gives you the flexibility to experiment and learn. For example, you can capture a password reset request, change the username, and see how the server reacts. This is a great way to check for insecure direct object references or privilege escalation vulnerabilities. Try different payloads for SQL injection or XSS. Get instant feedback. You can quickly iterate through different attack vectors, making it easy to spot weaknesses in input handling or output encoding. Intruder, on the other hand, automates attacks. Take a base request, mark injection points, and fire off thousands of variations. This is ideal for brute forcing, fuzzing, or testing how an application handles a wide range of inputs. Load a password list and brute force logins or fuzz for vulnerabilities. Intruder can cycle through usernames, passwords, or any custom payloads you define, making it a powerful tool for uncovering hidden flaws. Intruder logs every response, making it easy to spot successful attacks. You can quickly review which payloads triggered different server behaviors, helping you zero in on exploitable issues. Use it to enumerate usernames, directories, or test for weak spots. Intruder's flexibility means you can adapt it to almost any scenario, from simple enumeration to complex multi-step attacks. Repeater is your manual lab, Intruder is your automated workhorse. Together they cover both the creative, hands-on side of testing and the repetitive, large-scale attack surface. Using both tools in tandem makes web app testing efficient and thorough. You can quickly move from manual exploration to automated attacks, ensuring you don't miss critical vulnerabilities. Practice using both to master web exploitation. The more you use Repeater and Intruder, the more comfortable you'll become with advanced testing techniques. The more you experiment, the more bugs you'll find. Every test, every payload, and every response teaches you something new about the target application. Burp Suite is essential for any web security pro. Mastering Repeater and Intruder will set you apart as a skilled and effective penetration tester, ready to tackle any challenge. Now let's talk exploitation with Metasploit. Metasploit is an open-source platform packed with exploits, payloads, and tools. If Nmap finds a vulnerability, Metasploit likely has a module for it. Launch MSF console, search for an exploit, and load it with the use command. Set your target's IP, roasts, and your own loasts if needed. Type exploit and let Metasploit do the work. If successful, you'll get a MeterPreter shell, a powerful, stealthy foothold. With MeterPreter, browse files, download data, or upload tools. Escalate privileges or dump password hashes with simple commands. Metasploit automates complex attacks, making exploitation accessible. Always use it ethically and with permission. Practice in safe environments to learn its full power. Metasploit is the final step from finding to exploiting vulnerabilities. The real treasure often hides in backend databases. SQL injection is the classic way in, and SQLmap is the ultimate tool for it. Point SQLmap at a suspicious URL SQLmap, http://testsite.com/products.php?ID=1. It tests for injection flaws and identifies the backend database type. Once confirmed, enumerate databases with DBs, then list tables with tables, DDB name, dump table contents, SQLmap, dump T users, DDB name, find password hashes. SQLmap can try to crack them with word list. SQLmap automates detection, exploitation, and data extraction. It's fast, thorough, and easy to use. Always test only with permission. SQLmap is your go-to for database exploitation. We've covered a lot: command line mastery, Nmap scripting, Burp Suite, Metasploit, and SQLmap. These tools are powerful. Use them responsibly and only with explicit permission. Practice in legal environments like Try Hack Me or Hack the Box. Hands-on experience is critical. Don't just watch, do. Pick one tool and spend a week mastering it. Run Nmap vuln scans, send requests to Burp Repeater, or explore Metasploit modules. The more you practice, the more natural these workflows become. Cybersecurity is always evolving. Stay curious and keep learning. Join online communities, follow researchers, and push your boundaries. Today is your new starting point. Take what you've learned and apply it. Be ethical, keep hacking, and stay safe. Until next time.